But person me sure nyum no dey me pɛ wo album no so. If I knew Rag to Riches.
Rags to Riches. Yes.
I like that song. Well, now we're here now, Troy.
Rags to Riches. No.
Rags to Riches. Emodu. Rags to Riches. Now we're mood be when I hear from an hour share.
It was that mean Kuami Eugene and na me doing.
I said they be on Kuami Eugene.
I'm always they be a Kuami Eugene. They be I'm just like that. They be a Kuami Eugene. But me Mary, shout to Mary. Okay, movie.
Na Mary no am be. Yes, mama.
But on TV show pa.
Into her hair.
Ah, by no she.
On the say so one.
Debbie. Mary, she me mama so she be a she.
Okay. Na Mary near the girlfriend.
Oh yeah, or assistant me with
House assistant.
Because tell me, mu dey mu pe comedy do. Kwame, Mary, me tell who no niema bebre ane nkomodie mu, wo videos bebre mu. Why dey be owo fi wo hwe so ana.
Okay, mama church appear to Zoom.
Because Mary your inspiration. Or your inspiration pa.
One man see you. I mean, the reason why I've been here Rags to Riches no.
Mary is assembly beto mu.
Okay, so Mary, yeah, I think I've been with Mary for 3 years ni. Okay. For 4 years. And she's been assisting me for a very long time.
Yeah. Okay.
And you know, I hold her dear to my heart because Mediani means you maybe sometimes
Yeah,
to say Ebia. Me watch me
Kwame, yeah, appear to special hotel no.
We are amazing.
Thank you. Everybody, Mary is personal assistant and nothing more. Now,
I actually have a personal assistant.
Hey, she's home assistant.
Yes.
I didn't know you also marry a day.
Home assistant.
Mary, or ye me cook, or ye
cleaner, wife help,
or your wifey girlfriend.
That calm down. Mary was boy. Yeah, me money times money cost rano. Oh, my become Mary boy. I said why. Mary, I know you.
Mary, who on common moons and we have said body, and never come or run a coffee. And then me as something comes to do credit me more. But I could pay about Mary.
Questions, no, said I.
Now, what they have.
Debbie, also Dana will try Rags to Riches. Now, Kwana of it, not marry you.
Let me Kwana me what
damn, but Mary will sit down, baby. Into then a Kenya. Because only maybe.
Move on.
If man maybe YouTube.
I want us to concentrate on that lyrics.
Yeah.
An inspirational song.
Yeah.
It be a no be cross. I dream maybe at this moment. Right now, we're saying.
So
maybe I'll be going near the internet. If I go through,
I was in the room alone, and there's something she does, and I'll maybe boom. Say.
If I say I shall lyrics, don't worry, don't bring Mary back.
No, I'm not bringing her back.
Okay.
There's an inspiration. If you don't want to know the inspiration,
hey, me
want to know.
Hey, me pay. Not because I will come back to Yesu, ma'am.
There's something she does in the morning. And you know, there's a list of what sometimes I want to eat, whether it be a rice water in the morning, and I say cocoa, and I say oat and Tom Brown, you know. About the boom. Then what listed there, now I can say, okay, on your way. Then before I will get out of my room, now it's ready, now the Abba studio, name a DD. What you say? And I was just there, and I reminisce, say, just 5 years ago, then to say, what you say? 5 years ago.
Sorry, Coco.
Sorry, I got to
and now there will be the word the unripe.
Yeah, I got all the attitude. And you know, one sorry, down by you, dear. What you say? And you know, from baby, I'm free from Fadama and Nyamiadum and Shada and Che. What you say? Because with regards to the economy we live in, no, I say we need to baby. Now, if you want boy, Juma enough to make something for yourself, then why settle down?
Yes, son, can you say penny in the
What you say? And that's the Ghanaian mentality. But me, it happened really quick. 19 years, I had one of the biggest one, Angela Bo, baby. And since then, it's back-to-back hit songs, and I've been loved. Everybody listens to my music, and I get paid for what I do. To be able to pay another person to make me food before I wake up. What you say? And you know, rags to riches, that's what I was talking about. I had that dream age 17. But that was the inspiration for rags to riches.
Nice.
Ha, Kuami Eugene.